Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about museums. Yes, I really like going to museums. I think museums are such interesting and educational places. My favorite kind of museum is a science museum. I visited a science museum last year with my family. It was a really large and modern building. In the museum, you could see so many interactive exhibits. You could touch and play with things to learn about science. There was a really cool part about space.
Wow.
And I also saw a big dinosaur skeleton. I like going to museums because they help me learn about new things in a fun way. It's so different from just reading a textbook, right? They also help me understand history and art, which is super cool. They also help me understand history and art. When I am in a museum, I feel very curious and amazed by all the special things on display. I think museums are very important for children because they give us a chance to explore and discover the world outside of school. Hello everyone, I'm Chloe and I absolutely love going to museums. Especially history museums, I think they are really important places.
Yeah, definitely, they're like time capsules.
Last holiday, my family and I visited a history museum in Ho Chi Minh City. It was an old building, but it had so many interesting artifacts.
And tons of old photos too, right? Like stepping into another era.
We learned so much about Vietnam's fascinating past. I saw old clothes and ancient tools from a long, long time ago. I like history museums because they help me understand our country's history in a really real way. It makes me feel so thoughtful and proud of our culture.
It's so different from just reading a book, isn't it?
Absolutely. Hello. I like going to museums, especially history museums. I think they are very important places. Last holiday, my family and I visited a history museum in Ho Chi Minh City. It was an old building, but it had many interesting artifacts and old photos. We learned about Vietnam's past. I like history museums because they help me understand our country's history in a real way. It makes me feel very thoughtful and proud of our culture. It's different from just reading a book. Museums help us learn about our past. Hi everyone! Yes, I really like going to museums.
My favorite kind of museum is an art museum, definitely.
Totally agree, Lily. Art museums are the best. I visited one in Hanoi with my family last month. It was an unforgettable trip. It really is a beautiful and quiet place, just like you said, Lily.
In the museum, you could see so many colorful paintings. Every corner has something amazing.
And not just paintings, there were beautiful statues too. Each one told a story. Oh, I remember seeing a painting of a beautiful flower garden, just like this one. It was so vibrant. I like going to art museums because they help me explore my creativity. It helps me think in new ways.
It makes me feel so inspired and happy.
Me too, it's just so uplifting.
It's important for children to see art to imagine new things. My visit to the museum was a truly great experience. Thanks for coming with me, guys.
Anytime, Lily.
Yeah, it was awesome.